Hey guys, Dan Hood, Big DH 2000 here. Let me get this out of the way. Another prototype. Hold it up to the screen. Also in 3/8 phenolic. This will be more pocketable line kind of thing is what I'm looking at. Prototypes, I usually don't make more than one or two of these, and if I like them, I may make one or two more for people who ask. But for the most part, it's just me playing around with slingshots. And I do that on every holiday weekend instead of building brand new stuff. But anyway, let me show you how this can be held. Obviously, you put your hand through the lanyard, okay, and hold it like this, okay, and see it. Get a finger through here if you want, or just wrap around, whatever works, okay. Um, you can also, if you want, let me get the hand through the correct way. You can hold it like this if you want with the curve down for people who like that. Also, you can put your finger through it. He thinks that attention I gave him for the past hour wasn't enough, apparently. You can also do same thing in the other hand, okay, once again. And then if you're really crazy, you can turn the whole shooter around and shoot with just a single, or you can turn it around, hold it the other way, once again, both hands. It's designed for Ocularis plugs. Now I just need to say something right here. Just because you see me using Ocularis plugs a certain way or doing a certain thing with me doesn't mean Slingshot promotes this or anything like that or advises this, okay? You guys follow the Slingshot rules that they have for these Ocularis plugs if you want to be safe with them. As for what I'm doing, that's a whole nother story. Okay, now I'm putting my plugs in. I'm going to put this the correct way first, or the way, flat top shooter. Okay. One thing I have found with Ocularis plugs, it's better to get the bands cut the same length at the beginning and then push them through the plugs about the same distance. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we've got it on that. Let me untangle them. We've got it on top, reasonably the same length. Okay. One thing I will add, when you do plugs, the fat side faces you and the narrow side goes away from you, and the bands go through and come up and over. Okay, seem to be seeing a lot of mistakes on with everybody using these for the first time. Okay, that is something Slingshot directions show you. Let's see what it's like. Okay, flat top shooter. Okay, many people are scared of flat top shooters. The thing is, when you release, for the most part, the ammo goes over just about anything. Yep, I'm going pretty little high. That's what happens when you get used to a new shooter. Let's see if I can hit it, and then if I don't, at least I know it fires well. Okay, that was pretty high. Now, let's pull these out. Okay, well, you don't need to pull the one out. You can leave the one in if you want. Yeah, I like to hold it like that. I'm trying to remember. There's a certain way this is comfortable for me, so let's get on with it. Okay, grab these both together, push them through. Okay, I like it this way. Okay, put the I got it purposely tight because I've had issues where these plugs have sometimes let loose on stuff for me because I haven't had them in tight enough. That's my own fault, not the plug's fault. Okay, like this, with a single shooter, goes up and over the top. Okay, let's go get us a piece of ammo. Okay, put it in here. You can hear it hitting the ammo box down there. I'm not very good with the single level shooters like this. I'm all over the place. Yeah, a little high, just like the other one, because I normally shoot a wider fork. But anyway, as you can see, it's the fun shooter. Let me take the bands out of it, put the ammo away. I have it, yep, got the second plug in the pocket. And there you go. Something fun to play with and have fun with. And the lanyard's way out here out of the way for you. Take care, guys.